I'm sure there's gonna be a few. Look, this Pollo Loco is open. Well, I'm just saying. You're saying everything is closed, so I'm just refuting you.
Put your left foot over. Uncle God, there we go. There it is. Beautiful. Yes, I love. And then create a little space with your arm. There's yeah. And then your left elbow too. On the other side. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. There it is. Nice and tall. Woo! Move over. I'll take your picture. Go far back so you can see the far back. One leg out, one leg out. Oh my god. Arm up. There it is.
I got
Oh my god, you can carry me. I'm so heavy.
Somebody likes Chinese.
Everybody loves Chinese.
Because I'm cooking for Easter.
Okay, sure. They taught me how to order.
Okay, you guys, whatever you guys like. Noodles Beancurd. Whatever you like. Nothing like soup.
Do you like soup, Uncle Mom?
No, I don't have any preference.
There's a good soup here. I think it is hard to find.
Do you like dim sum? Start with dim sum.
So if it was me, I would do like the duck with garlic shrimp and tofu.
So who introduced you to duck?
You guys did.
I did. Pecking duck. I remember when the first time I brought pecking duck. Philip loved it so much and filed it.
Yeah, we can't get enough of it. We're eating it like it's going out of style.
But the pecking duck here is not they use straight. They don't put, they don't use.
They don't have the buns.
Not the buns, they use straight. I mean, it's just iron. It's just like,
Okay.
better.
Yeah, I love that.
It's nice.
Alright, I think we're ready for a few to start. Let's do the, do you have the pecking duck? Just no duck. Okay, that's okay. How about like that one?
How about Donald Duck?
Okay, let's do that. The spicy garlic shrimp. Tofu.
So it's like pork. Chicken and chicken.
Can you do roasted crispy pork?
Yes.
Or let's do the deep fried pork ribs with spicy salt and pepper.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, and some bao. Which ones do we like? Do we like the shrimp and pork, or do we like
But they cannot eat shrimp.
No, it's okay. I can eat it with that.
You know, whichever you prefer.
No, that I can. I don't eat.
Let's do pork
That's Mika's
fried
food.
pork bun. Pork bun.
Beijing style.
Okay, what do we have so far? Yeah, orange chicken. Yeah. Okay, take out the shrimp. And let's do a gulai, right?
No, we can have anything. You
Oh,
know,
oh no, we'll keep
or
the
how about a
shrimp.
noodles?
Yeah.
The
Keep the
noodles.
shrimp.
Keep the shrimp.
Because since it's a
And
new
then
one,
what's some good noodles?
like saute, birthday noodles.
Birthday!
Birthday! Oh, happy birthday
This is the
to
birthday.
us!
That's on
Yeah,
January.
birthday noodles.
Yeah, but it's April 6th now.
Yeah, oh see?
That's so true.
It's our birthday.
Okay,
April.
plus 4 months.
Okay, yeah, I think that's right, right?
Yeah, this birthday. This is the birthday.
Yeah, we'll just
Birthday
go to the birthday.
Birthday Canton noodles.
Just for the names, you have to get it. Liver, squid.
Squid,
No
okay.
shrimp on the birthday.
No, it's okay.
No, I don't like shrimp on the
You don't
birthday.
like?
Yeah. No shrimp and no chicken on the birthday, okay? Okay.
So I can have,
Okay, pwede on the side yun. Hindi na, okay.
Yeah, just
Then you put it on the side. Para
alright.
that's para
See?
She gonna do that. Oh, I'm so happy because she said she doesn't want to take their kids anymore. She'll never get married anymore.
You know? Yeah, sure. You should try. It doesn't matter.
She has a brand.
She likes that.
Yeah,
And she likes
I
dancing
want
really
to
sad videos and shit.
You know, there's so many American guys that would be so lucky. It's just so sweet. The American women
Because I'm cooking.
Make sure you subscribe to Philip Rivas on YouTube and on Instagram.
Philip Rivas. Philip
I didn't know
Rivas.
also. I just learned that.
You never shared it to me. You always shared it to me.
Now you. That's the reason why you have the hat.
Philip.
The cap will tell you to do it.
.com.
Yeah, you can do the .com and then it'll link to all the other stuff. But on YouTube, you can just type in Philip Rivas. Let's see what comes up. I know lots of it.
Sabi, happy
Caloocan.
Makati.
I have.
I should have brought
I'm gonna play with my perspective. Can I borrow your light? So you hold this like this, but hold it far out. Far. So like far, like there we go. There. And then can I borrow this?
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, that's nice.
That's the way to do it. And then keep smiling. Okay, wait, keep smiling. Just like that, keep going, don't change it. Go a little bit. Oh, it keeps changing, hold on. Stay just like that. I'm sorry, it takes a while, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna.
So what were you doing? How did you do that?
So it just makes it look like it's so big.
Oh,
Just a
yeah.
game.
It's pretty though.
Yeah,
Well,
very
Philip is,
good.
but that's the reason why you.
That's having Philippines.
Yeah.
And this is now recovering from his bad cold.
Yeah.
Kuya Noning now is very good.
And our endeared Lord, please let whatever evil be as equally good.
I thought you were gonna
Amen. Oh, this is so great.
I thought you were gonna say, and let every evil just disappear all of a sudden. Somebody just like exploded it.
Don't feel like that.
Okay, better get this.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna cook on Sunday.
You want the chili in there? Side.
So we're gonna invite Tina,
Yeah.
and then with Nikki or Jane over here.
I know you haven't been cooking, so I'm excited. I have to.
Yes.
Yes, because there's something to rejoice about.
Oh my god, I'm so lucky.
Yummy dum dum. And it's not even today.
It's just the same number.
Whose birthday's next?
Kai? No, Scotty. Is that?
I don't know.
know, 26.
May 1 is his next anniversary.
Oh wow.
May nice. Yes,
Ano yun to?
Birthday.
What's this?
birthday.
Shrimp?
Oh, the separate.
You want some?
Yes, please. I'll just go like this.
Yeah.
some
Oh yeah, maybe they can take a picture of them. What's that?
good tofu and
Wow.
so if we're gonna do it next Saturday at this
Does it turn out pretty well?
and
It's so good.
And then Scotty is prime rib, right? They're gonna point. So don't cover the windows. Well, wait a minute. Oh my! Oh wait a minute. What happened? 1, 2, 3.
Okay, I'll get the good back.
Yeah. Then throw her in the water.
1, 2, 3. Go from far away.
I'm so heavy with it.
Okay, we're going home now. Oh, can you get that one first, Uncle Ben? And then I'll follow you. You leave to the car.
1, 2, 3. There you go.
Can you get my phone too, please?
It's nicer. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
I love Philip.